today, we are going to show you how to cook easy seafood laksa using our limited edition 6-quart roaster, available until March 31 only. 250 grams rice noodles, 1 chili sliced, 1 bunch spring onions trimmed and sliced, lemon wedges, 1 teaspoon ground coriander, cooked mussels in the shell, 2 cups of reduced salt seafood stock, 200 grams laksa paste, 1 kilogram marinara mix, 400 ml light coconut milk, 2 tablespoon Thai basil leaves, 1 tablespoon castor sugar, and 1 onion leek sliced. So let's start. First thing we need to do is to heat up the cookware, and then, which we already did, time to put the onion leeks. Cover it for about 1 minute, and then we'll put the other ingredients. Okay, now time to put our ground coriander and then our laksa paste. Okay, and then the coconut milk and our seafood stock. Mix. And then we leave it on medium heat and wait till it boils. And now it's time to put our marinara mix. Medium heat. Let's add the castor sugar. And cover. Seafoods are easy to cook. Maybe around 2 to 3 minutes it's done. Okay, time to put salt and pepper. This is depending on your liking, of course. I don't want it to be too salty. Let's add the mussels and the cooked noodles. Okay, we leave it for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then it's done. Okay, and now our easy seafood laksa is done. Oh la la! And now time to taste it. Okay, now let's add the garnishing. Spring onion, chili, basil leaves, and the lemon wedges. Add a little bit of the noodles. There you go. Now let's taste. Spicy for people who loves spicy food. Yum. Sitting chef of 5C Marketing, starting over again. And now we're starting over again. It's not the easiest thing to do. I'm feeling inside again, 'cause every time I look at you, I know we're starting over again. This time we'll welcome home, my lover and friend. We are starting over again. I'll never love this way again.